Welcome to this algebra guide on solving one-step equations. Today, we are focusing specifically on the division method. This is where you will learn how to isolate a variable when it is being divided by a number. By the end of this video, you will be able to solve these problems with confidence. In algebra, your primary mission is always the same: isolation. You want to get the variable, represented here by the letter x, completely alone on one side of the equal sign. The goal is to strip away any numbers attached to it so we can clearly see what value x holds. To isolate the variable, we use inverse operations. These are operations that undo each other. Think of division and multiplication as opposites. If a variable is being divided, we must use multiplication to reverse that action. They are two sides of the same coin. Before we start calculating, remember the golden rule of algebra: keep the balance. Imagine an old-fashioned weighing scale. Whatever weight you add to the left side, you must also add to the right side to keep it level. In math, whatever operation you perform on one side of the equation, you must perform exactly the same operation on the other side. Let's look at our first example. The equation reads, x divided by 4 equals 3. Here, our variable x is being divided by 4. To solve this, we need to ask ourselves, how do we undo dividing by 4? Since x is divided by 4, we do the inverse. We multiply by 4. But remember the golden rule: we must multiply both sides by 4. On the left, multiplying by 4 cancels out the division. On the right, we multiply 3 by 4. After performing the multiplication, the 4's on the left cancel out, leaving x all by itself. On the right, 3 times 4 gives us 12. So, x equals 12. We can verify this by putting 12 back into the original equation. 12 divided by 4 is indeed 3. Now let's try a slightly trickier one involving negative numbers. The equation is y divided by -2 equals 5. The principle is exactly the same, but we must be careful with our signs. To undo the division by -2, we multiply both sides by -2. On the left, the -2's cancel out completely. On the right, 5 times -2 equals -10. Therefore, y equals -10. Here are some common traps to avoid. First, never forget to apply the multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. The equation must stay balanced. Second, ensure you multiply by the denominator, not the numerator. Third, watch your signs. If you divide by a negative, you must multiply by a negative. And finally, double-check your basic arithmetic. To wrap up, here are your steps for success. 1. Identify the number that is dividing your variable. 2. Multiply both sides of the equation by that exact number. 3. Pay attention to negative signs. And 4. Always plug your answer back into the original problem to check if it works. You have got this.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.